In this video, we will talk about how to set up remote desktop on Windows 11. Method 1. Local network. Here, I'm trying to take the remote of Windows 11 PC from Windows 10, and it's connected to same network. So we need to change some settings on Windows 11 PC. Step 1. Check Windows version. Right-click on Start. Select Run. Type WinVer and press Enter. Here, you can see I'm using Windows 11 Pro. If you're trying to take the remote of Windows 11 Home, then don't worry. I will explain you how to do that. Step 2. Enable remote desktop. Click on Start. Open Settings. On the left side, click on System. Scroll down and select Remote Desktop. Turn Remote Desktop on. Click on Confirm. Step 3. Username. Click on File Explorer. Select this PC. Double-click on Local Disk C. Then Users. Here, you can see the username. Step 4. Local IP. Click on Start. Open Settings. On the left side, click on Network and Internet. Click on Ethernet. You could be connected to Wi-Fi, so click on it. Scroll it down. Here, you can see your IPv4 address. Note it down. Step 5. Connect to the computer. Now, let's take the remote of Windows 11 PC. Click in Search. Type Remote Desktop Connection and click on Open. Here, you have to type your IPv4 address. Then click on Connect. If it doesn't connect, restart the remote PC. Enter the username and password. Select Remember Me if you want your PC to remember credentials. Click on OK. Then Yes. Here you can see we have a remote of Windows 11 PC. So that's how you can set up remote desktop on Windows 11. See you in the next video.